Good morning, everyone. We are awake. It is the weekend. But yeah, I finally get to finish my tune with Delicious Tuning. If you've ever dealt with them before in the past, like, you know, the way they used to do their e-tunes or their flash tunes, ooh, if I'm being funky. But actually it's good now. I showed you guys that. But yeah, Delicious Tuning. They would send you a flash. You flash it on your laptop using the Pro ECU software. Then after that, you do a data logs. You send it to them. They send you another revision. You do it again. But yeah, so we'll check engine light. We'll check that out in a little bit. But yeah, so today we're just doing tunes. So today now you have to dedicate a whole day to just flashing and revision. But they still can do the whole the old process where they'll send you a data log. Oh, you send them a data log. They'll send you a revision. You wait like a day, do it again all over. But yeah, today we're flash tuning. Let's have a good day. In good old Subaru fashion, that check engine light is gone. Hell yeah. Second map. I'm gonna charge my GoPro after this so I can get you guys some at least pulls up for footage. But yeah, doing this right now. Second map of the day. Well, I mean, of the day, but I've already had like several maps for this car. But yeah. So I'm on version 20.54. Yes. Alright, we're up to speed. I'm just gonna go down a little more away from everyone here. And we'll see what this revision's like. Guys going to the left. It's nice. There's no cars behind us. There is now. What's he gonna do? So I'm gonna go to my phone, go to the data logging part of the app. Alright, we're gonna slow down here. Put the start. Once this car passes us, we'll do a pull. So these are just third gear pulls from around 2K to like 7K or like 6.5. Just do data log, really. I'm gonna do one more, but I'm not gonna make a U. I'm just gonna go here because they're doing landscaping work on the side. Oh, dude, chill, man. I'm actually gonna go up, back the path the way around, and come back down and do another pull. Alright, we're back at it. We're going back to the spot. We did a revision again. So yeah, we're doing it right now. It's already 1 o'clock. Earlier when it was dinner, it was around like 10:30-ish. We started around like 9. And it's like our third, fourth revision, and I can't remember at this point. But yeah, we in here. Hiccup from like 6 to 7. I was watching it, but that was fucking intense. Holy crap. Okay. killing birds, guys. We don't want to kill birds. Okay, that was nice. I'm gonna loop back around, do my third pull, send this over to Bill. When I still had my old laptop, this whole freaking thing crashed and like locked my ECU. It was so scary, dude. Cause I was fucking gonna panic.
Well, I'm glad it you know, it worked out.
Me too, man.
That makes sense though. They sent you a stock tune and then.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So then they had to add more flashes to my ECU too. So yeah. So what I just did, Delicious Tuning sent me another update, dragged it into the software, put it in, queried the ECU, then programmed the ECU. Did I hit program? I just hit query. I just hit query, yeah.
I don't know, bro.
It's not going. So hit program now. Oh, there it goes. It's going. I like how I can see it though.
Yeah.
And over here too. I just noticed that it goes green here. Honestly, I don't even know if you can see it on this. I don't know the lighting this way.
But that one you can tell.
Yeah, that one you can see. Does that 240 move back there?
Sometimes.
Oh, it runs?
Yeah. Sometimes I don't see it there, that's why. So
now I got switch the ignition off. Let it calibrate and tell me to turn it on. This is to reset the ECU now. So now it's restarting the ECU. Then it'll ask me if I want to clear all the DTCs, like all the check engine lights and stuff like that. I don't know what DTC stands for.
Diagnostic trouble code.
Yo, shout out to Michael. See, me, unlike him, did not go school for this. He did go school.
Unfortunately, yes.
Unfortunately, what you mean, man?
Just kidding.
Okay, let me do this. I'm gonna use your bathroom and we can run. Okay, so that's all good now. And close.
That's wrong.
Yep. See, let me check if it runs. Yeah. I have to check what the first AFR is. Oh, the pressure's kind of high.
23.
Yeah, usually it's well. Oh, actually no, it's fine. When it drops below 1, it sits around like 17 to 14, depending on how hot the oil is.
Yeah, it's good.
That's really good, actually.
Rick!
Holy shit, dude!
Rick!
Holy fuck!
Oh, that thing pulls hard!
Holy shit! And it's not like a big pull, it's like super gradual though. Oh fuck, dude. Can you try to check what my boost peak's at?
Frick, I was too focused like, oh!
I know, I didn't want to die.
My bad.
No. Next one. I didn't tell you earlier.
It pops hard.
Guaranteed that's flames, right? Gotta have flames.
Didn't think you had 3 resonators. Bro, I have a cat and a resonator. I don't shoot flames. And mufflers. Four mufflers.
I got one more. I basically have 4 mufflers on this fucking car. Hey, imagine if it was straight pipe though. How loud this fucker would be.
I think I would have to use earphones. Or the thing that you bought for the...
Oh yeah. Is it this right?
Yeah.
I always miss this turn, you know, by the way. Like, I always miss it. I end up going on the fucking main road and making a U-turn right before the stoplight.
That's all.
Ready?
Wait, I see 60.
Oh, fuck, for real?
Yeah. If I come out this way, then just take...
That's gonna U-turn. Sorry. I'm gonna wait till we get up the bend before I start doing this. I don't like turning this way.
Yeah.
I don't like dying. Because I remember I was doing a pull on my road and I saw a new pothole. I'm like, oh no! I'm gonna die! And break my car. Yeah, I'm gonna slow down, third gear. I was like, I've been here all morning. I'm like surprised no one called the cops yet.
Right?
Not good.
Maybe because
No one's home.
that and you're spacing it out.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, last pull.
Alright. 16 again.
16? Okay. That's probably my max boost then.
Yeah.
The pop is nice though.
Sounds clean.
Holy fuck. Holy shit.
Well, we weren't racing.
Huh?
What are you talking about?
What was that?
We weren't racing.
We're not. We're just. Someone was chasing us. We had to get away. Oh fuck. Alright, we at Sushi Bay. Oh, that says Jean's Storehouse, but we at Sushi Bay. We just finished all the data logging. Me and Micah had a few runs on the way here, but my GoPro died. So you know, that's for another day, right? You just order food. This is probably the end of the vlog. So that's the intro and the ending. Are you guys ready for the first reaction on starting the car?
Whoa,
Yo, Alvin's
I'm ready.
here. Where's Kaipo?
He's over there. Oh, Kaipo's right there.
Oh, perfect timing.
Hey, yo, you want to see it turn on for the first time? I say without
Don't lie
after
to
it.
the viewers.
Just turn on those stuff because we got it. Well, Micah did all of this. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie.
You ready?
Yo.
Can we get Starbucks after this?
Oh shit, dude!
That's fucking sick.
What does that mean?
It's all blank though because we didn't hook up anything else. We just did the power on. But it's okay.
It's nice though. That's
Thank you.
I know.
I got
Do you
these.
feel like you're driving a race car now?
Not really, because I'm still
Feel
slow.
it now, Mr. Krabs.